Good morning, everybody. Getting ready to tie-dye here. We got our water in there. I'm gonna put 1 cup of soda ash into the water. Okay, another cup of soda ash. Sprinkle in that cup of soda ash so we can let the start soak in here before we twist them up. Just give it a good stir. Mix that soda ash in real good. Good and mixed in there. Just want it good and mixed up. Well dissolved. Alrighty. Let's drop in some shirts. We got a large shirt, a medium shirt, and 2 all cotton cloth masks. Get them all pushed in there so they're good and soaked and submerged. And let them soak for 15 minutes. What's up, Oslo? You ready to tie-dye?
We won't be moving anything at all.
Oh, look at them. My shirts is. I guess just do a shirt now and we'll do a mask later. How about that?
Okay.
Just we don't really know how to tie the mask. You know what I mean? Man, that thing's gross. Is that how you do the whole pattern? That's really cool. Awesome spiral, people.
Oh, yeah, I just sort of grab it.
What's the other pattern that you did with the last one, like where it makes a long straight line? Not the pleated, but the other one that folds like that? Well, this one's gonna be a spiral. Banding with Babeses. I haven't tied the one banding with Babeses yet, but it's coming. Be on the lookout for banding with Babeses.
People are gonna be like, what the hell does that mean?
It doesn't matter. They don't have to understand it. We know what it means. Man, you're right. What? Banding it up right. Ooh, look at the yellow. Pretty yellow. That one's on. Look at that yellow. I'll just sit on them. Hold on for just a second, Mama. Using the turquoise instead of the blue? Or is that blue?
This is turquoise.
Oh, a turquoise 3-color. That's something new. I think it's gonna look beautiful. Already see some greens starting to pop out of there. I'm about to go there. Pretty reds. Look at that. Looks like something you'd see at like one of those rainbows. Looks like one of those rainbow lollipops, you know? Rainbow lollipop tie-dye. Look at Oslo. Coming together nice.
And there you gotta go.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you flip it and do the other side real quick, and then I'll go. Ooh, yeah.
You need somebody to hold her?
No.
Well, can I hold her? I haven't seen her in 2 days.
Okay, sure. Let the mom hold her.
Oh, wrapped in there.
Oh, hey.
Looks like one of those lollipop suckers. It looks really cool. I think this one's gonna be awesome. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Appreciate you doing this for me, babes.
No problem.
Y'all should thank the babes too. Everybody say thank you, babes, for getting up after a hard night of dealing with her newborn child, our newborn child. Just a tie-dye for the people. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Look at that. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all in the morning.